See this? I've made this well myself, and it's a deep, dark pit down there. What do you say? You want to go down there? Here, I'll put you down there. There you go. Wow, I wonder what it's like to be stuck inside a well like this. Whoa. Oh, guess who I found? Oh no, it's collapsing. Are you okay? Oh, you're all right. Here, I'll yeah, I got him.